Look at that.
We got one big piece. Huh? There you go. Don't look. I'll show you. if you got to see it. Take another look in there. How did that feel?
Yeah, it feels better.
Already noticed
Already?
an improvement there, huh? All right, we're gonna get back in there real easy. There's another chunk. Key to these is just take it slow, go easy. You know this, Gumby Jean. I know this is for anybody that happens to. Yeah, he's feeling
it's just.
Oh, that was a good piece.
whole bunch right there. Look at that all
Look at that
coming
one.
out of there. I'm going to show this all to you in just a minute, Mr. Kansas. I think you're going to be impressed with the quantity as well as quality. Let's get another look in there. I bet you can hear me now, can't you?
A little bit better.
Yeah, that's right. There it is right there.
Less work for me. I'm just kidding.
So what we generally recommend people that have a problem with the cerumen building up in the ears is there are some over-the-counter kits that you can get that just have a little bit of an ear wax kind of softener product in it. You can use that to kind of soften the wax, and it has a bulb syringe that you can use to rinse the wax out.
You alright?
You've been good.
Okay. A little water in there.
I'd have just a wee bit more. Now don't go anywhere. Should feel a little bit odd, but it shouldn't hurt. Yeah, you've still got a great deal in there. So we're gonna try one more time right over here. Nice and slow. Oh my.
That feels better.
Look at that dude coming out of there. That's huge. We just got another
A little
huge.
blood too, right?
Sometimes what happens is the little wax will. Oh yeah, you're clear now. The wax and dust will get in there. I want you to see what came out of your ear there.
Wow.
Hi, my name is Melissa, and I've been taking medicine for about 3 months right now. So far, I'm really loving this product. It's definitely helped me steer off of energy drinks, caffeine. That was my goal. I'm definitely trying to be a little bit more fit. So I would definitely recommend this product on Amazon. So catch me in the next 3 months, see how's it going. But so far, I'm loving this product.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thinnergy. Thinnergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and thin form that I have. So please check the link below, recommends Thinnergy, and I think it'll work for you.